A lot of people think that you need lots and lots of money to see a financial advisor. I'm here to tell you that is not true. Here are 3 situations when you should seek a financial advisor. Number 1, when your circumstances change. As an example, if you are getting married, getting divorced, buying your first home, having kids, retiring, whatever it is, if your circumstances were to change, I suggest you seek a financial advisor because they'll be able to help you transition from one phase to the next. Number 2, if you want to develop skills to create wealth. You see, a financial advisor will educate you on how to create wealth. They'll sit down with you and do a budget. They'll sit down with you and create a savings plan. They'll teach you about investing. You'll develop all these skills that will help you for the rest of your life. And finally, number 3 is when your income starts to exceed your expenses. See, when you're having now surplus money, surplus cash flow, you need to do something with that money. A financial advisor can help you. They'll talk to you about certain strategies that will create wealth for you a lot faster so that you'll be able to achieve your retirement goals quicker. My 3 situations when you should seek a financial advisor. I'm Clyde Gonzalez. Thanks for watching.